This here is a long-haired cat. Long-haired catechist. Yep. You are on camera. I am doing a documentary on you, and you're licking your butt. Ugh. Are you finished now? Anyway, this is also known as a Longhedicus catechus. This particular species has this name because it has long hair, occasionally getting in its ear, makes it want to scratch. This is hair that's accumulated from a solid week from brushing the Longhedicus catechus. There's a creature on the floor right there. Look, looks like I skinned a blooming guinea pig or something. If you do not maintain your long-haired cat, maintain means brush, brush, brush. This is what will happen. You'll have hair on your pillow. You'll have hair on your banana. You'll have hair all over your shoe. You'll have hair stuck to your mother's foot. You'll have hair getting on your computer, going on YouTube. So the moral of this documentary is, when you have this, you must maintain, you must take care of it, or else this will end up all over. Take care of your pets. That's it.